Finding that perfect balance between a compact form factor and uncompromising gaming performance can feel like searching for a unicorn, right? Well, Shemines claims to have bottled that magic with their 87-key gaming mechanical keyboard, promising a powerhouse experience in a smaller footprint. Right out of the box, the Shemines 87-key mechanical keyboard immediately impresses with its thoughtful ergonomic design. It's clear this isn't just for show. The layout feels natural under the fingers, making it a comfortable companion whether you're grinding through spreadsheets or grinding enemies in your favorite game. The build quality feels solid too, with those high-quality ABS keycaps giving a satisfying texture. And for those of us who appreciate the little things, the 2 collapsible feet and 2 non-slip rubber feet on the backplate are a welcome touch, ensuring it stays put no matter how intense the action gets. Now let's talk about the heart of any mechanical keyboard, the switches. This Shemines model comes equipped with custom mechanical feeling red switches. If you're new to mechanical keyboards, red switches are generally known for their linear, smooth travel and relatively quiet operation, making them fantastic for rapid key presses in gaming and comfortable for extended typing sessions. The manufacturer boasts a 50 million keystroke lifespan, which speaks volumes about its intended durability. And for the serious gamers out there, the 87-key rollover with anti-ghosting is a game changer. It means every single key press registers, precisely and without fail, even when you're mashing multiple commands simultaneously. No more missed inputs, no more frustrating moments where your character just stands there. But what's a gaming keyboard without some flair? The RGB rainbow backlighting on this Shemines keyboard is truly captivating. It offers a variety of dynamic modes like streaming, racing, and breathing, instantly transforming your desk into a vibrant battle station. The ability to adjust both brightness and lighting speed means you can truly customize the ambience to match your mood or game. And here's a feature that might just save your day. It's water-resistant. Accidents happen, and knowing your keyboard can shrug off a minor spill offers a surprising amount of peace of mind. Plus, the inclusion of 12 dedicated multimedia keys is a thoughtful addition, putting quick control over your audio and media right at your fingertips. Overall, the Shemines 87-key gaming mechanical keyboard delivers on its promises. It's a robust, responsive, and visually stunning peripheral that punches above its weight class. For anyone looking for a compact, high-performance mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, this one is definitely worth a closer look. It truly offers a superb typing and gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.